Hey everyone, talking about Indigo Love by Kimberly, New York. The notes in this are honeysuckle blossom, sweet tangerine, and lemon Italian ice. So I think this is nice. It smells like drinking a Sprite while wearing like crisp, freshly laundered clothes. And I definitely mean that in a good way. Yeah, very crisp citrus, and that lemon Italian ice accord totally comes through. Not too sweet or, dessert like, but just like, yeah, it might sound ridiculous, but I feel like I've been looking for a scent that just smells like Sprite. Like that's what I want. Whereas sometimes lemon lime ones can be like too bitter for what I want or too sweet or something. And this is just kind of like, yep, clean, fresh combined with Sprite. The honeysuckle doesn't make it too floral in my opinion. And yeah, I really like it. You have to be a big citrus fan for sure for this. Like if you're not really into citrus scents, you're not going to like it. But yeah, if you like the idea of smelling like a Sprite while wearing like crisp, fresh, laundered clothes, then it's worth checking out for sure. Unisex, low to moderate longevity and projection, goes for $129 for a 100 milliliter bottle, and I'll link in the description where you can check it out.